Hi, friends. Jesus spoke often in similes. He would explain something we couldn't see by comparing it to something we could see. For instance, the kingdom of God, which we cannot see, is like a mustard seed, which we can see. Now, Jesus told us he only does what he sees his Father doing, and he only says what he hears his Father saying. This means the Father speaks in similes also. So, when the Father wished to give one final written revelation of himself to humanity, he did it through a simile. Now, if I want to know what the Father is like, we simply refer to his simile, which appears in Revelation 5:6. Then I saw a lamb looking as if it had been slain, standing in the center of the throne. Only God occupies the high throne of the universe. Therefore, God has just compared himself to a slain little lamb. We'll look harder at this tomorrow. Godspeed, my friends.